What's up today, guys? So, today I wanted to make a video about Tesla stock and specifically why I'm actually buying more Tesla. Now, here's the thing, looking at it from a technical standpoint, this is not looking like a buy, honestly. But from a fundamental standpoint, and when it comes to Tesla, like I swing trade Tesla, but I also have Tesla shares in my long-term portfolio that I plan on holding for years and years and years to come. So even with my swing trading, I might look to hold that for a few months, even a year or so out. So, you know, I'm not looking for any too short term, type of technical moves, but that's why we're starting off here on this monthly chart. So if you take a look at this, this is a 50-day exponential moving average. So as you see, Tesla stock has never closed below this 50-day. But for this month, which we only have 2 days left at the time of me recording this, it's Sunday night, and so we'll have Monday and Tuesday. And if Tesla stock doesn't close back above the 270s range or whatever, this is going to be a close below this 50, which could be a bad sign that we're starting to go back into this old trading range of $200 a share to 260. So it'll be the same choppy bouncing back consolidation motion that was going on here, except we'll just be down here. And yeah, if for a long-term investor, I mean that this is going to be a great opportunity for you to be buying more stocks and stuff like that. For anybody who's looking to be more short-term with Tesla stock, maybe not so much if it closes below here. So also you can go out to the or go a little bit lower to the daily chart, and you can see that the 50-day long crossed below this 200-day simple moving average, and this is a 50-day exponential moving average. So theoretically, when the 50-day crosses below the 200-day, we're in bearish territory. When the 50-day crosses above the 200, we're in bullish territory. So we are definitely in bearish territory, and we're getting close to being oversold, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I mean, like I said, the technicals is definitely saying we are all the way deep in bull and meaning bear territory. So take that for what it is. And here I'll just show you guys real quick, just how many shares I own. So this portfolio, this is my Robinhood portfolio. This is just Tesla stock that I own. This isn't my entire portfolio, but so you can see I own 6 shares of Tesla. It's making up about 22% of my portfolio. Oh, my overall portfolio between this portfolio and my long-term investing portfolio. Uh, I also own shares of Tesla in that as well, like I said before, but it's really not. I mean, it's only 22% of this portfolio. It's less than 20% of my entire portfolio, though. So, yeah. So you can see currently I'm down almost 9%. So I'm not worried about that though. Um, let's see what else. Let's go to my buying history. So you can see I've been trading in and out of Tesla ever since November of 2017. So I got a lot of buys and sales. That's why when I look at the technicals of Tesla stock and stuff like that, it's pretty easy for me to like really read and I'm pretty comfortable with the way the stock moves and stuff like that. So let's see, my last sale I made a video on, and I sold 3 shares at 340. So for a little, it was like almost a $200 profit or something overall on that. Not too much, but hey, whatever. So then I started buying back Tesla shares at 273. I bought another share at 279. Bought another share at 258. another one at 262, another one at 258 again, and recently just bought one at 235. God, how I wish I could have bought all of my shares at 235, but who would have known, right? So it is what it is. I'm not tripping. I'm just glad I got money on the sidelines to be able to take advantage of an opportunity like this. Also, I still got well over $300 sitting on the sideline in case I want to buy another share on Monday. But for those of you who do not know, on what was it, Friday, I believe, after the market closed, the SEC, there was a article put out that said the SEC and Elon have come to an agreement. So hopefully all this SEC business and Elon stays out of the picture from here on out. And I think Monday, if you're probably most likely watching this after it's already happened, but I think Monday is going to be potentially a great day for Tesla stock just based off of the SEC issues being done and over with. And before we get any too much longer in this video, because I don't want to keep going on, but just some key fundamental things that I'm taking away from the last earnings report. Some of the key fundamental things that I'm really looking forward to in Tesla stock going forward, or Tesla as a company going forward, I should say, is the Tesla insurance. I mean, think about it. If you buy a Tesla, I mean, if you're getting insurance, which you're going to have insurance, I mean, why wouldn't you buy it from them? I mean, I'm pretty sure rates from any other car insurance company is probably not going to be as competitive as Tesla's own insurance. I mean, if you want anybody to insure your car, you should want it to be the company that you bought it from, you know? So that just makes perfect sense. I think that everybody's going to get that Tesla insurance. I'm pretty sure, at least majority, put it that way. So, yeah, the whole raising capital, why is that word so hard for me to say? Raising capital thing. Elon was asked about that, and I really loved his response to that. And he basically said, raising money every time you get in a bind is like asking for a handout every time you get in a bind. You know, I mean, and they're saying they're focusing more on being more cost efficient and lowering costs in order to raise profits and stuff like that. And I think that's really good, because it's kind of like, think about it like personal finance, right? One of the best ways to make more money is to save more money. So that's basically what he's saying. We're not trying to raise money or anything like that. We're trying to save money so that way we can have more money to invest and stuff like that, which is basically how, you know, all of us should be handling our own personal finances anyway, you know, instead of just, you know, trying to look for loans and stuff like that in order to fill the gap. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to carry this video out too long, but yeah, there you go. There you have it. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And hopefully I will get my video recorder, what's the name, back up and running. I don't have my face on the screen right now because it's not working. So yeah, hopefully I'll have that working on my next video. Anyway, until next time, peace out.